back to Geek to Rehab. Dr. Monty here, and this is my good friend Doug. We're going to go over how to teach someone that's having trouble getting up out of a chair. Three steps to remember to make it easier and safer for you to do so. You can do this with or without a walker, with or without a cane, whatever assistive device you have, but also without anything. So first thing, Doug, I want you to, in this sitting position you're in right now, I want you to just, with your bottom all the way back, go ahead and try to stand up. It's just straight up. Okay, so that was good. He's in tip-top shape. Did you notice? All right, you can go ahead and have a seat. He brought his nose over his toes. Okay, so that's one of the 3 steps. So the first step, the one I didn't have him do, because I just wanted to see how he did, because a lot of people have difficulty if they're seated all the way back in the chair. So now go ahead and bring your bottom to the front half of the chair, or to the edge. There you go. And then, so that's step number 1. Step number 2, step number 2 is bring your feet back. Okay. Step number 3 is bring your nose over your toes. And then stand up. Okay. So that, go ahead and have a seat. That should have felt easier than sitting all the way back. Now, for instance, let's try this again and skipping 1 step. So scoot forward. Now bring your feet out. Okay. Maybe a little further. There you go. Because a lot of people feel nervous getting their nose over their toes because they think they're going to fall forward. All right. And I understand that. It's a balancing act, sort of. And now go ahead and stand up. Now you see how far forward he really had to lean there? Quite a bit more, because his feet were way far forward. All right, go ahead and have a seat. Thank you. So it really does help to bring your feet back so you don't have to propel your body so far forward, because then, yeah, you are at a risk for losing your balance and going forward. So let's try that perfect example you gave one more time. Your bottom forward, your feet back, and your nose over your toes, and stand on up. And you go straight up, you already had to lean forward. All right, perfect. What an example and specimen. Thanks.